Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can remove the back cover at the Doro 1370. So for that you will need the notch here, here. And then you go with your fingernail in that notch and then you can remove it, as you can see here. But take care, it is very difficult. Go with your fingernail alongside the line, or otherwise you could use also a plastic card or credit card. Then go alongside here. And then you can open it like this. Be brave, nothing can happen. And then you can change the battery, insert the SIM card, and so on and so on. If you want to close it again, put it like that. So now then just press it together, and this goes more easy than to open it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again in any case, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.